Imagine it's 3 a.m. and your phone buzzes. A single wallet just dumped $50 million in Ethereum and the price drops 20% immediately. And you're already out. Or better yet, you're shorting it for massive gains. It sounds like a dream, right? No, it's not. It's the power of spotting whales movement. So in today's video, we'll be guiding on how to use Arkham for token and wallet analysis and also for spotting whales. But before we dive in, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, please do well to support our channel by buying our educational token Wiki Cat. Wiki Cat is built on the Binance Smart Chain and the contract address will be in the description below. Now let's get started. What is Arkham? Arkham is a free website that lets you spy on crypto wallets like a detective. It shows who owns the wallet, how much they own, where they send assets, and when they buy or sell. Now, who is a whale? A whale is an individual or entity that holds a very large amount of a particular cryptocurrency. Their buying can drive the prices up and their selling can drag the markets down. Arkham shows you these wallets in real time. Now, how can you get started on Arkham? Open your browser, then head to intel.arkm.com. Tap on the three dash icon at the top right, then tap on profiles. Now you need to log in if you have an account or you need to sign up if you don't. You can choose to log in with Google or log in with your email and set a password. Now let's log in with Google. Choose an account. So we have successfully logged in. This is the main Arkham Intelligence dashboard, your free will spotting headquarter. Now let's quickly run through the interface. At the top, we have the search bar. This is your starting point for everything. It's for typing in wallet addresses, token names, or entities. Right below the search bar, we have Arkham Intelligence header, which displays trending prices and live price ticker for key entities and tokens. We have trending insights. It's like a live feed of whale moves, dumps, pumps, and market signals. Below it, we have Arkham Exchange Token. This is a dashboard to promote trading on Arkham. Exchange flows shows the decentralized and centralized flows. Now let's search for a token to analyze. Just tap on the search bar, then tap on BTC. Now you can see the price, the supply, market cap, ATH, and so on. At the bottom, you find entity balance changes. Entity is a big player in crypto. It's not just one wallet, but a group of wallets controlled by the same person or company. Entity balance changes shows how much BTC they added or removed in the last 7 days. Green numbers means they added more BTC, while red numbers means they sold BTC. You can find red numbers at the bottom. Red numbers means they sold BTC. For example, Fasanara added 41 BTC in the last 7 days and it is worth $3.68 million. When you scroll up, you find the price history and Bitcoin top holders. Bitcoin top holders are entities controlling the most Bitcoin. You can see the entity name at the top, Binance Cold Wallet, the value they hold, which is 248,597 BTC, and it's 1.25% of Bitcoin's total supply. The value in dollars is 21.6 billion. These whales hold trillions in naira, and once sell from them, the price crashes. Now tap on Binance Cold Wallet. You can see their portfolio is 100% BTC. This is the balance history. Scroll up to see transfers. This is the transfer tab. All these tiny moves are just normal user withdrawals. A red flag is when you see a big transfer out to a Binance Hot Wallet or another exchange. Currently, there are no huge transfers, which means it's safe. In a situation where you see a huge transfer from the cold wallet to an exchange, it's probably a prep for selling. Now scroll down top counterparties shows who Binance Cold Wallet interacts with the most. If you suddenly see a new unknown address receiving a huge amount of BTC, let's say 1,000 BTC, it's probably an OTC sell or a dump prep. Now let's quickly search on a popular whale, BlackRock. You can see the name under entities, so I'll just tap on it. Now you can see the portfolio. The wallet currently holds 776 BTC, which is currently worth $67 billion, and 3.6 million Ethereum, worth $10 million. It also holds other tokens, which you can see below. Now scroll up to see transfers. You can spot huge transfers to Coinbase hot wallets. This could be a dump prep. Lastly, a special feature on Arkham is Alerts, your free 24/7 whale watcher. It watches the blockchain for you and instantly pings your phone when a whale moves a huge amount to an exchange or receives from an exchange. It catches whale movements the moment it happens and shouts at you immediately. Let's quickly show you how to create an alert on Arkham. Scroll up, then tap on Alerts. Whose transfers do you want to see? Enter the entity or the address. BlackRock. We want to see BlackRock transfers. Now, the sender, BlackRock. The recipient, you can add Coinbase or Binance. Let's add Coinbase. Now, what is the USD value? What is the range of transfer you want to see? Let's say $50 million. Now, scroll up. Which tokens do you want to see transfers for? Let's use BTC, Bitcoin. Which chain? Select your chain, Bitcoin. Now, how should you be alerted? You can choose your email, Telegram, Slack, or webhook. Now, let's choose email, then tap on create alerts. So we have successfully created an alert. Now, when BlackRock sends $50 million worth of BTC and above to Coinbase, you'll be alerted via your email. So this is how you can use Arkham for token and wallet analysis and also to spot whales. I hope this video has been very helpful. If you have any questions, kindly drop it in the comment section, as a team member will be available to answer your questions. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educative content. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.